Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a new bulk case. I've been doing some pallets lately, but this is a case. Got it for a really good deal. Uninspected returns. Let's see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I got this case. I want to give you the specs on it before we open it. It's from bulk.com. It's considered a case, not a pallet. It's uninspected returns. The title on it was Assorted Apparel, Star Wars, Halloween. It had a few other names in the title. I paid $30 for it. Shipping was $30. Tax was $8.28 for a total of $68.28. Has 17 total items in it, for a total of $4.01 per item is what I'm averaging. So let's see what kind of condition we've got stuff in and whether or not we can sell these things. I will do a part 2 to tell you what I feel like I can make out of each one. And so that'll give you an idea of, can I sell Halloween stuff in the middle of February? So we'll kind of go over all of that in my part 2 video. And so you'll want to tune in to see how much I'll actually sell everything for and on what platform. If you guys have been enjoying my content, don't forget you can also support me on Patreon. The link is in the description below, where you get exclusive content from me that is not on YouTube. And that way it'll kind of give you some extra inside peeks into my business if you guys enjoy it. So it looks like lots of Halloween costumes. Oh, these are awesome because they can still be sold for cosplay. So here is this one is a Solo Star Wars costume. It looks like it's for a youth, a child costume. Great condition. Here, let me turn it around and you guys can kind of look at it. And then let's see what else we got in here. Looks like a lot of costumes. So this is actually good because if it was just traditional Halloween stuff, it would be harder to sell. Here is I'm not going to even, Wakanda from the Black Panther movie. I was like, what is that word? I was looking at it sideways and couldn't see it. So it looks like a lot of children's costumes, but that's okay because they're still used for cosplay. And we'll see what they're even going for right now. So that's another one. Here's another Star Wars one. Looks like they're all the same size, which is going to make it very, very easy to list. If you're interested in any of these items, I'm going to be doing a live feed video tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but Thursdays at 11 is when I always do my live feed videos. So tune in. I've got some fun things to offer you guys as being YouTube viewers. You kind of get first picks and first dibs on a few things that I've already unboxed. So you get to see it before anybody else does. So here's another Han Solo. Let me see, I've got 4 of those, 2 of the girl ones. Let's see what else we got in here. Another Han Solo one. Looks like it has all the pieces, the mask, the jacket, all the parts to it. Here's another Han Solo. Looks like they're all the same size as far as I can tell. Nope, they're like smalls, large, medium, but they're all still youth. So let's see what else we got. What is this? I have no earthly idea what this is. What is it? What is it?
There's a picture of it.
Oh. It is a sushi roll. You can dress up. Oh wait, I have to try this on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have to. I have to be a sushi roll. Look. How in the world? It Velcros, I guess. Oh. I'm terrible at this. No, because this is on the outside. I don't know how to become a sushi roll. All right, I'm just gonna give up. So if you want to become a sushi roll, you can buy that. Wonderful costume. That's amazing. All right, here's another Han Solo. It looks like it doesn't have one of the pieces, but I bet it's in here somewhere. I'm going to put this with it 'cause it was on it. Make sure I get all the sizes right. I'll probably find that extra piece. Here's another Han Solo. Here's another Han Solo. So it's going to take me like 2 seconds to list all this. It's going to be awesome. Here's another Han Solo. And so I will make the determination in the next video. I'm going to look everything up. I'll make the determination in the next video. Another Han Solo. Wait, this is an adult one. That's a full-size adult one. So that'll probably sell well. But I will tell you in the next video whether I'm going to save this and wait to sell it before Halloween, because Star Wars will still be popular. Or if I'm planning on selling it, here's another adult one, right now. So I'm going to look everything up and kind of see where the price is even at. You know, can I make more than the $4.01? Or am I just going to wait and see if I can get more money, you know, sometime in September next year. This is, you can be Han Solo wearing the Millennium Falcon around your waist. Because that's not weird.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. All right, and then I have another adult Han Solo costume. I never did find the other piece to that one, so it must be missing a piece. So that might just be a bust on that one. But so I got 3 adult costumes, which I bet I could sell right now for sure. And then we'll kind of go from there. So check out my second video. I'm going to let you know whether or not I'm going to sell it right now. And then I'll also talk to you about the various platforms. Will I sell it on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, where I'm going to sell these items. So watch the second video. Usually comes a day after this one initially comes out. If it's already out and live, then it'll be tagged at the end of this video. So don't forget, if you love my content and you want to help me out, go ahead and support me on my Patreon page. The icon looks just like this, and the link is down in the description. And don't forget to go to hookedonpickin.com and check some stuff out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.